My missile drone will take you down.
Level your drones with me.
Yeah, we got so many drones.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
My
Where'd he
missiles
go?
will fight you. Oh,
Whoa!
I'm at negative 321 health.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you died?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was a big boom.
Oh. Oh.
There we go.
No. I'm okay.
in that last little like his jolt thing that he was doing, Adrian didn't even move. He just stood in
Yeah,
one
no,
spot.
I was just going like, yeet.
Dude, I was like panicking. I was doing the most.
He's taking all our shit!
No!
No!
Alright, no, I'm still getting the same loadout. Nice. Moon detonation imminent.
Oh no,
Okay.
not the moon.
We gotta go.
Where?
I don't know. Over there. This way. Oh, we gotta break these, I think.
I
No, what do
sure
we
wish
do?
I could help you.
Can we pause? Oh.
How do you pause?
I don't
What do you
know.
mean?
Do we look for a walkthrough?
Yeah, I can see the objective down there. We just have to remove this barrier somehow. Okay. Is somebody looking it up?
Maybe.
Please.
I have not found the.
Do we have to platform?
I don't know. Oh, this is fucked up. If anyone can find anything. Joel, if you want to chip in or something. Because if we win, you come back and then we all win.
1 minute left, boomers, no. Joel, you've forsaken us. W.
This is just where we explode, huh?
Yeah, I don't know.
This is so bad. Embrace me. It's happening.
Oh, I still have health.
I don't think you do. But
I found it. So, irony. All the other portals you have to press E to jump into. Those orbs are portals you just jump into. You don't.
Oh
press,
my god.
You don't
Wow.
press E
Some
on
small
them.
part of
You
me
just
thought
jump into
really
it.
Maybe that was.
Alright, take everything.
One
What?
book. I got mine.
One book.
I got my one book.
Go, let's rob each other. Teleports behind you, nothing personal.
Hey. You don't even, dude.
Teleports behind you, nothing personal.
You don't even know how fast I can turn around. Watch this. Try again. Go behind me. Go behind me.
Alright.
Watch this.
You can hit
You see that? That
Nothing
look,
personal.
did that look cool? Oh no! Hey, look at that, a golden nugget. Thank you. You know what I can do with that golden nugget? I can buy stuff. Hehe.
You piece.
Hehe.
Literally, the
Yeah.
second I got out of my house, standing up, waiting. Firestone, it up.
You
What are you doing,
you
sir?
like tires? You like
man.
tires on rocks on fire? Firestone. Do your tires not pop as frequently as they should? Firestone.
He's sucking me.
He's sucking me.
Toyota.
Get him, Hook. Get him, Hook.
Alright,
Okay,
one.
everybody get one.
I picked up
One.
I got my rose buckler.
Joel, don't forget, you do more damage from behind.
Yeah. From behind.
From,
I do more damage from behind. You're driving a Ford truck, you do more damage from behind.
amen to that, brother.
Oh my god, I'm like 20 bucks away. Yes! Yes! He's
You
mine! Buy him! Oh my god, they are dying fast.
Eat shit, eat shit, eat shit. Eat cum. Even,
If you want.
if thou will. Thou wiltst.
If thou wiltst.
One.
What?
Do we want to go into the black realm?
The Void Realm?
Yeah.
I think you meant the Void Realm. correction. It's politically
Yeah.
correct to say void
Yeah,
realm.
we
Actually,
haven't called it that in years. Come on. Next one, you get.
Yeah, sure thing. Promises, promises.
Hey man, have I broken one yet?
Yes.
No.
Other people.
Oh.
Hey.
Wow.
Not.
Drone.
Drew.
I love drones.
You took my thing.
Oh, sorry.
Origin Grandpa.
I'm gonna knife him. That took off a lot.
Oh my god, you got
knifing him in the
grandpa.
knifing him in the back shreds him.
Jesus
Max.
Christ.
I'm telling
Shake a
you.
bitch.
Oh my god, this. Is
Oh my god, he's fucking dead.
But
Uh-oh.
Related.
I died.
So did I. I thought I got
Everyone-
arranged too.
I'm alive.
What a
Wait,
wife!
I cheated.
Wait, you
I
lived?
cheated death.
Yay! Let's go! Huzzah! Yeah! I am an egg. I egg for no man. You
I'm
can't
just
even see
flying
my
in a
arm.
straight line. Are you moving at all, Joel?
No. Now I am.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Why are you stuck?
I don't know.
Oh, cause cutscene.
Help!
Put me in.
Help! I'm right here.
Help! Help!
I'm too close. I'm too close.
Oh my god! let me get in there for some knife.
You know what this calls for?
Let me get him. I'm gonna get him. Whoa! Yeah! Egg out.
Get an egg out of there. Job. It's like it means where they just.
I'm gonna knife. I'm gonna knife. Egg out.
Yeah.
No problems when you're an egg.
True. Life's simpler when egg. Alright, he's up.
Oh, he's up. What? I died. No.
No!
I did my thing.
Oh, watch out for those lines.
Yup. Oh! That was pretty close, that one. I'm descending. Do we have to leave to invite Nick?
Yeah, quit to menu.
No, I think we just go to the.
Oh.
If we just continue, it'll just take us to the lobby. I mean, if you quit.